Hey, I'm Larry Vickers from Vickers Tactical, and you're watching Big Gunner 81.
All right. You know what we should do is I can fire off. I always go 1, 2, 3. We should just fire off a gun 3 times.
That's coming.
All right, count of 3.
Here we go.
1, 2, 3. Long time coming, but here we are.
Yeah, I mean, take the tour upstairs. You see the classrooms, obviously, and take a look at the lounge and a beautiful view looking out at the landscape there, the wetlands. And like the mayor said, and Pete said the best years ago when we started this process, he said, this is going to be a place where good people learn how to shoot. And that's our goal here. We're getting people in here. We're teaching them how to shoot the right way. And we've got professionals across the board that are doing it for us. So thank you very much.
Okay.
This is Jonas Hagos. He's the manufacturer of